Xero settings in ePages space. Let's go to the Xero settings. You can go to by your admin panel settings, click on Xero general settings. That will bring you here. It is absolutely necessary to have the Xero account, otherwise it's not going to work for you. So we are going to assume that you already went ahead and created a Xero account. Now we're going to follow the steps that Xero integration information. That's the very simple part you have to do. Second step, we need to add the new app into the Xero, which is going to allow talking between ePages and Xero. Click on it. We're going to open it. It's going to open a new window. We don't have any app created at the moment. We're going to create new one. We're going to say demo 1. This is the company URL. This is mandatory. Everything else is not. And the redirect URL. So for me, I don't have the live website, so I'm going to use this, as this is my demo shop. The second part is a redirect URL that you can copy from here. Step 3. Copy, agree on the terms, create app. Now you can see it has created the app. This is going to allow Xero and ePages to talk to each other. Now this is the client ID we're going to need. So we're going to copy. You can simply click on the eye icon to see what is the value. We have copied the client ID. Now we're going to see the client secret. So at the moment, because we created the new app, there is no client secret. So we have to generate it. Again, you copy, you paste it here. It's mandatory to select the date. We're going to select today, complete, and we're going to go ahead and select initiate Xero authentication. My mistake. We should have saved it first. Let's go back again and do that. Today, complete. Say we're going to initiate the authentication. That will take us to the Xero page. It should give us the drop down and select between the demo company or the organization that you created. This is going to be a little bit slower process, depends on the internet connection. So I've got 2 organizations that I've created for demo. I'm going to select demo company AU. I'm going to allow the access to it. There you go. You got authentication successful. Now go ahead, enable Xero, save. There you go. Now this is what you have just set up the authentication. It's still not going to transfer invoices or anything. For that, you have to go to the Xero mapping. You select which organization you want to configure it to. Here, so save it. Once you save it, you're going to have all these different options. So you have to make sure that every single payment method and the sales account you have to map them. Otherwise, your integration will not work. So sale account by default, we're going to map it to the sales. For the custom tax rating, I'm just going to put GST to 10%, non-GST to exempt output. Save this. That's it. And this will make your Xero work. Thank you.